Yo, what's good, people? Producer Mykah here, and today, guys, we're gonna be making a guitar Afro swing kind of vibe. So I'm gonna show you how to create some nice sounding guitars and layer it with some nice Afro swing drums. So without wasting time, guys, let's go. So right now, DAW, the first thing is just to set our tempo, and for the swing vibe, I'm gonna be using a tempo of 95 BPM. So I'm just gonna come over to my tempo, just drag it down to 95 BPM. I could start with the guitar vibe, or I could start with the drums. So basically, I think I want to start with the drums, so we have something down already. So quickly, I'm just gonna go over to Splice, look for a shaker that I'm gonna start with, and I think I'm gonna go with this shaker. Yeah, I love the way it sounds. So let's just drag this in, and as you can see, this shaker has a tempo of 100 BPM. So all I just need to do to keep it on key is to stretch it. So I'm just gonna come over to stretch and just stretch it so we have it on 1 bar. And let's turn on our metronome and hear what it sounds like now. Yeah, nice. So I'm gonna leave it for 2 bars, create a new pattern, and let's call this pattern our percussion. All right, so I've gone ahead and selected some nice one shots that I'm gonna be using. I always tell you guys that selecting the right percussion, the right drum is always key. So these are what the sounds like. We have hi-hats, we have some percussions, some nice sounding packs. So the first thing I'm gonna do is just pull my hi-hat. I'm just gonna play around with my hi-hats. We have something like this, and what this is gonna sound like, and yeah. So let me just I like it, but I think the hi-hat has some swing, so let's just shift it a little bit. I think I'm just gonna go to my piano roll, and just increase the velocity so it hits really hard. So we have something like this. Yeah, so I also want to copy this hi-hat and paste it to this hi-hat. So it's just like I'm layering 2 hi-hats. It's always amazing once you layer your sound. It gives it a different texture, gives it a different feel. So together we have this. So I can put it with my the percussion we have, and together we have this vibe. Already having that, already having that swing. So the next thing, I'm just gonna play around with some random percussions. So we have something like this. Let's put this here and here and here. Let's see what this is gonna sound like to have this. So I'm just gonna make sure I go to the piano roll and just increase the velocity. Then with this snare, I think I'll just put this snare here. Yeah, then with this, I think I'll put this around here. Yeah, but I think with this, I'm just gonna tighten it up and come over to this mode X and just bring it down a little bit. So I have this. Then with this percussion, I think I want this percussion to be here. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, so you already have a nice sounding vibe. I actually love what this is sounding like. Then one thing I love doing with my percussions of late is just I'm just gonna make this unique. The same thing actually. I'm just gonna make this unique. What I'm gonna do with this is just I'm gonna render it as wave. So what I'm gonna do with this is just send it to my mixer. I'm just gonna add a different effect to it. So I'm gonna add convolver fruity. Just go to the preset and select one of the preset there. I think I'm gonna go with the bathroom effect, and this is what it sounds like. I'm just gonna use my EQ to just give it like a radio feel and boost the reverb. So let's see. So I'm gonna layer the 2 of them together so we have something like this. It just gives it like a different feel, and just still layer it with some percussion. So go over to Wildfire Park of this now. We already have like a nice vibe. So the next thing we're gonna do now is to put in our guitar melody, put in our chords, put in our bass, and we have a vibe, the default preset. And I'm just gonna change my key to the key of E. That's simple as ABC. So I'm gonna go to my go to the piano roll, just quantize everything. And you know what I love doing, I'm just gonna take the middle notes, up an octave. So I think in this case I'll take this, take this, and should I go with this or this? Yeah, let's go with that, and let's see what it sounds like. Yeah, I just like the openness. You could just try it in your production. Yeah, actually gonna enjoy it. So we have this. So instead of it just sounding basic like this, I just add this artsy color or any effect plugin you have to just give it like a different feel. So this sounds like nice. I'm just gonna put that down, and it's from this chord we have right now that we are actually gonna build the guitar melody. We're gonna use the TC guitar, and that's from Ilya Ifemon. So on the key of C, this is our 6. So we could just put that down. So I have something like, I need to increase the gain so you can hear it more. So you can have, our 6 is normally like this, but guitar triad, you don't just play it like this. You make sure you're taking this middle note up an octave. So yeah, we have something like that. So let's just shift it up. So we can just play around with our guitar. Let me play just solo just the guitar I have. Let's do this. So I can copy the same chord progression because this is a minor chord, and our 3 is also a minor chord. So putting this down, we have this. This. And I think I'm gonna use Guitar Rig for it. So you might not have all these big plugins, but just try to make do with what you have as you build to get some nice sounding plugins. So give this guitar some effect. So let's see which I think I'm gonna go with the acoustic multi, and it sounds like this. Yeah, I'm just gonna bring down the feedback a little bit. So what I feel now is, I need some vocals, I need some nice sounding vocals to just give it, that sweetness. So I'm going to go over to Splice. Let me try and reverse it and see, sometimes reversing your sounds, just gives you a different kind of feel, give you a different kind of texture. So I'm just going to reverse this sound. Let's see what we have. Yeah, I think I like this. So let's pick this to do the starting. So this is gonna start it like. Nice, so we just reversed it, and it has given us some nice, a different kind of vibe basically. Like, I like it. I don't know why I like it, but so I'm moving from our 6. So yeah, so that's the kick, basically the kick vibe I want to go with. So we have this. So before the kick comes, I think I need on that feel at this point. Let's see. Yeah, nice. So we can have this as our intro. So let's go put in. Count gun octifier. Yeah. And this sounds amazing. This sounds beautiful. So let's listen from the top and hear what the whole vibe actually sounds like. Alright guys, so hope you got something from this video. If you did, guys, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification so you get notified when next I post, because I always post amazing content and you definitely don't want to miss out. So subscribe, and if you want to get access to amazing FLPs, the conga bass I use here, the sounds I use on this beat, just make sure you're on the Patreon and you get access to amazing goodies. Thank you guys for watching, and the link to join the Patreon is in the description of this video. Thank you guys for watching once more, and see you guys in the next video.